Alright, today we're going to be tying a squid rig for salmon fishing. We're going to start off with a Gamakatsu 4/0 big river hook here. We're going to start by threading our fluorocarbon or monofilament through there. I like monofilament for salmon. You can go a little bit extra and just tag it. It's a little bit easier to start it. And you're just going to go ahead. I like to put about 10 wraps on our hook. We're not going to do an egg loop on this snell. So we're going to go ahead and take the other end of our leader here, go right back through our hook eye, and we're going to go ahead pull this tight, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim this up there. I'm going to leave this hook here. I got about 5 feet of leader here. For kings, I like to run an extra long leader, so I tie them long, and then I can always adjust down if I need to. So we're going to go ahead, thread our line through here. I'm going to lay these hooks the same way here. I'm going to go about, depending on your bait, you tie your hooks. So I'm going to go about 2 fingers here. And I'm going to go ahead and snell it again, 10 loops again. Pinch that off again. Come right back through here. And what we can do is go ahead and pull everything tight here. And lay that down. And grab the end of my line here. Go ahead and throw our hoochie in here. And we're going to go ahead and dress this baby up. And that's how I like to tie them. Thanks for watching.